Hello, I'm Ralph Page, Systems Architect at Samtec. I'm at DesignCon 2021 and I'm going to show you a demonstration featuring a cutting-edge Synopsys chip and two new Samtec connector systems. The Samtec products are the new HSEC6 high-speed edge card connector and the new 70 GHz bullseye test point system. The Synopsys 6.0 PHY generates four 64 gigatransfers per second mp4 differential signals. This is a PCIe Gen 6 data rate. These differential pairs route through an iSolar Tachyon 100G test board to a Samtec 70 GHz bullseye high-performance cable assembly, the BE70A series. The signal travels from the bullseye connector through 8 inches of low-loss coax cable to precision 1.85mm Samtec compression mount jacks mounted on the first HSEC6 SI evaluation board. The signals then travel about 30mm in the board to the HSEC6 connector and then to the second evaluation board. The differential pair exits the second evaluation board through another set of 1.85mm compression mount jacks, through another 8-inch of coax cable, and are received back to the bullseye test cable system on the Synopsys board. The data routes back to and is recovered by the Synopsys PCI receiver. And the results really are excellent. The eyes are wide open, although the overall channel loss is actually 28 dBs at 16 GHz. The Samtec HSEC6 evaluation platform accounts for only a few dBs. The result of a bit error rate of e to the -8 is quite incredible. Post-effect would be 0, of course. Samtec has a variety of board-to-board SI evaluation kits which provide system designers and SI engineers easy-to-use platforms for testing many of Samtec's popular board-to-board connector products. Go to samtec.com/kits for more information about Samtec SI evaluation kits. Please contact us at sig@samtec.com if you have any questions about these videos and demonstrations. I'm Ralph Page at DesignCon 2021. Thank you for your time and thanks for watching.